Ladies and gentlemen, right now I would like to address the Royal Kingdom, the Kingdom of Norway's Parliament. We are gathered here today in order to appeal to the government and the people of Norway to consider implementing the agreement with the Ethiopian regime to coercively repatriate asylum seekers from Ethiopia. We believe going through with this repatriation runs contrary to Norway's rightly earned reputation as the world's humanitarian superpower. We are first-hand witnesses to the Norwegian society's compassionate spirit underpinning this reputation. On the other hand, the very party to this agreement, the Ethiopian regime, is notorious for its systematic violations of human rights as documented by almost all respected international and local human rights monitoring groups. Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, Reporters Without Borders, the State Department of the US, and many others have documented the systematic violations of human rights by the Ethiopian regime. Norway cannot stand alone and turn a blind eye to these violations of human rights. The regime's pervasive surveillance of the society under its control is well known. What is less publicized is its extension of this surveillance to foreign countries where a significant number of people from Ethiopia reside. We suspect that Norway is no exception with this regard. Consequently, anybody who has participated in opposition activities is likely to be noticed and reported by these informants. And such an individual runs the risk of suffering harassment, intimidation, and every imprisonment or death if returned to Ethiopia. And many of the asylum seekers currently threatened with forced repatriation fall into this category. Convinced that putting individuals in such a risky situation is contrary to the values espoused by the Norwegian government and society. We appeal that all cases be reopened and re-evaluated by taking into account the ever-worsening human rights situation in Ethiopia. On behalf of all those assembled here and the concerned asylum seekers, I thank you for listening to me. Thank you.
Asyl politik.
Asyl politik.
Mikkelsen.
Ostin diktator.
Mikkelsen
los. Gelen diktator. Beşiktaş'ı.
Yatil Beşiktaş'ı.
No to deportation.
Who is killer? Who is murder governor? Makasana dan Fletcher. Toko tadi. Who is killer? Who is dictator? Who is the killer? Who is the dictator? Who is killer? Who is the dictator? Malas is killer. Malas is dictator. Malas is the killer. No cooperation with dictator. No cooperation with the killer. No cooperation with dictator.
We need international pressure. Dictatorial Ethiopian government. Dictatorial Ethiopian government. We need international pressure. Dictatorial Ethiopian government. Norway. Stop abusing the convention. Stop deportation. Stop deportation. We need international pressure on dictatorial Meles Zenawi's regime. We need protection. We need protection. Stop deportation. Stop deportation. Norway. Stop abusing 1951 Geneva Convention. Norway. Stop abusing the convention. Norway. Stop abusing the convention. We need international pressure on dictatorial Ethiopian government. Meles is killer. Meles is dictator. We need international pressure on dictatorial Ethiopian regime. We need protection. We need protection. We deserve protection. We deserve protection. Stop abusing the convention. Stop abusing the convention. We need pressure on dictatorial Meles Zenawi's regime. We protest deportation. We protect. We deserve asylum protection in Norway. We need deportation.
Ay, das ist okay. Egal. gadhiisas. Adannoo. Biyya ammaa dhibee waa'ee ramaa.
Kottaan jedhe.
V for channel. Bershittelse.
We deserve protection.
We deserve
Protection.
Stop deportation.
Stop deportation.
Kan ini juga itu.
Oromoo jedhamu iddoo akkas.
Deportation.
Stop deportation. Stop deportation. Stop deportation. Ethiopia.
Stop deportation.
Stop deportation.
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
Stop deportation.
Stop deportation.
To a killer.
To a killer.
Meles is killer.
Meles is killer.
Meles is killer.
Meles is killer.
No cooperation.
No cooperation.
With killer.
With killer.
No cooperation.
No cooperation.
With killer.
With
Ya,
killer.
Norge.
Norge. Mer.
Humanitarian.
Humanitarian.
No.
No.
Norge.
Norge.
Yatir.
Yatir.
Mer.
Mer.
Humanitarian.
Humanitarian.
No.
No.
Norge.
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 Mer.
Mer.
Humanitarian.
Humanitarian.
No.
No.
Yatir Beşiktaş'ı.
Yatir Beşiktaş'ı.
Yatir Beşiktaş'ı.
Yatir Beşiktaş'ı.
No deportation.
No deportation.
No deportation.
No deportation.
No deportation.
No deportation.
Naitil.
Naitil.
Bungal.
Bungal.
Askara koo. As suut.
Deportation.
Yep. Oh manggo nu kan amma.
Dhaabadha asuma.
Okay, asumatti dhaban. Asumatti dhaabadha bakka.
Asuma dhaab.
Okay.
Norge. Mer. Humanitarian. No. Yatir. Beşiktaş'ı. Yatir. Beşiktaş'ı.
Potasta.
Akkas gara koot. Akkas gara koot.
Yep. Asumatti dhaban kan.